Today we got something seriously special for all the off-roaders, adventurers, and road trip maniacs. Presenting the king of motorhomes, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motor Home. Designed for those who live to roam and built to conquer terrain with rugged 4x4 wheels, extra ground clearance, and a long body frame. This beast is more than a van. It's a luxury house on wheels, engineered for endurance. In this video, we'll break down every angle, interior, exterior, utilities, and comforts of this powerhouse motorhome. So buckle up and stay with us till the end. Exterior front view. Studio microphone, starting from front. Just look at that bold Mercedes-Benz logo, shining proudly at the heart of this powerful motorhome. The vibrant white and red dual-tone paint job not only gives it a stylish presence, but also boosts visibility on roads and trails. The LED projector headlights, integrated fog lamps, and the sculpted bumper enhance both looks and safety. This beauty stands tall at the official Mercedes-Benz showroom, showing off its factory-fresh look and showroom shine. It's not just classy, it's engineered for real-world endurance. Top side view. Studio microphone. Let's zoom in on the top view, where things get even more exciting. Mounted on the roof are high-efficiency solar panels, ready to keep your power running even when you're off the grid for days. There's also a TV and GPS antenna, allowing for entertainment and navigation at remote sites. And don't miss the roof-mounted Dontic air conditioner, offering climate control even in the harshest weather. Rain gutter trims and skylight vents are also cleverly placed to keep airflow natural. It's a rooftop designed for independence and comfort. Backside view. Studio microphone now onto the rear side, where functionality meets travel readiness. There's a full-size spare tire mounted solidly on the back door with a lockable mount for safety. Above that, the bike rack holds up to 2 adult-sized bikes securely and is designed to fold when not in use. The rear also includes rear parking sensors and a reversing camera tucked neatly above the rear window. Whether you're into trails, mountains, or deserts, this Sprinter's got your gear and your back covered. Side view. Studio microphone. On the side, this Sprinter motorhome opens up like a dream. A powered retractable awning extends with a push of a button, offering shelter within seconds. Under the awning, there's even a small fold-out table setup that tucks neatly into the body when not in use. Integrated LED strip lights offer ambient night lighting. Imagine a late-night campfire vibe with the comfort of your home steps away. This isn't just camping. This is Mercedes-grade outdoor luxury. Driving compartment. Studio microphone. Now, step into the driving compartment, where function meets finesse. You're greeted with heated premium leather captain chairs, adjustable lumbar support, and multi-point seat memory. The dual digital display setup includes a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation and a dedicated rear-view LED monitor. USB-C ports, wireless phone charging, and even voice control make this cockpit feel like a mobile command center. Whether it's a 2-hour drive or a 2-week journey, this cabin keeps you connected and comfortable. Sitting and sleeping area. Studio microphone. Just behind the driver's section is the versatile sitting and sleeping zone, expertly designed for space efficiency. During the day, you get an L-shaped lounge with fold-out footrests and a collapsible table. Come nighttime, it converts into a queen-size bed with memory foam cushions, ensuring deep rest. Surrounding the area are overhead storage compartments, ambient reading lights, and a window with blackout curtains. Everything here screams coziness. It's the perfect retreat after a long day of exploration. Kitchen area. Studio microphone. Next up, the compact yet fully loaded kitchen. It features a dual-burner gas stove, a microwave oven, and a 12V compressor mini fridge with freezer. The countertop is heat-resistant, and the fold-out sink faucet includes both hot and cold settings. There's a small pantry shelf, cutlery drawer, and even a dedicated trash cabinet built in. From breakfast on the go to dinner under the stars, this kitchen delivers more than just convenience. It delivers comfort. Washroom. Studio microphone. Yes, even a cleverly fitted washroom is tucked inside this motorhome marvel. It includes a cassette toilet, space-saving corner sink, and a telescopic shower hose with retractable curtain. Overhead vent fans, an integrated mirror towel hooks, and a soap dispenser complete the compact yet thoughtful space. It's clean, functional, and sealed well, With anti-leak flooring and easy wipe surfaces, even in the wilderness, you'll never feel far from civilization. Studio microphone, and now, the final piece of the puzzle, the price. This all-in-one Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motor Home is yours for just $149,000. A serious investment, but one that pays back in unmatched freedom, performance, and premium design. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile lifestyle revolution. So, what did you think of this road beast? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know where you take the Sprinter first. And until next time, stay rugged, stay adventurous, and stay muddy, my friends.